ចឹងយល់នៅពេលណាដែលគេប្រើ DHCP client ហ្នឹងទេកៀងបាទហើយបាទឥឡូវខ្ញុំ configure វាអស់ឲ្យលុបវាចោលអស់អត់មានទេចឹងអ្នកគ្នាមើល interface van LAN 1 LAN 2 អត់មានបញ្ហាទេប៉ុន្តែយើងមើល van របស់យើងនេះ interface van របស់ខ្ញុំនេះតើមាន IP មានអីនៅមានអីនៅមានអត់អត់មានណាយើងមើលមានតែ LAN 1 LAN 2ហ្នឹងយើងមើល default gateway មើលមានអត់អត់មានទេ default gateway ដើម្បី root network ខាងក្នុងហ្នឹងមិនចឹងហីអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំ configure វាជា DHCP client ដើម្បីនេះខ្ញុំផ្សេង network ខ្ញុំផ្សេង internet នេះប្រើដែរអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចូលអី IP DHCP client មានអត់មាន client ទៅលើ interface ណាមួយនៅអត់អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំយក add ពី van នេះធ្វើលើ van ណាបាទហើយអ្នកនេះមាន click ទាំងអស់ហ្មង3 UP DNS មានន័យថាម៉េចហ៎បានន័យថាម៉េចភាប្រើម៉េចភាពុកម៉ាក់គូកនណាបាទខ្ញុំថាវា UP ណា UP DNS មានន័យថាគេនៅធម្មតាពេលណាដែលអ្នកទីប្រើជា DNS ធម្មតាវាមានទទួលបាន IP DNS ពី server មកបានទេចឹងបើយើងដាក់ពីនេះថា IP DNS ដែលវាទទួលបានវាទៅអីវាទៅ configure DNS នៅក្នុងទៅយើងមិនចាំចូល IP DNS ទៅ IP ហ្នឹងទេបាទទេចឹងគឺគាត់ទេចឹងអ្នកមើលចិត្តស្ដែងណាកន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំបានសិត IP វាអត់មានអត់ណាកន្លែង Dynamic server មានទេអាកន្លែង server នេះគឺយើងដាក់ដៃ Dynamic server នេះគឺទទួលបានពី DHCP មកឬក៏ PPE មកប៉ុន្តែមានអត់ទេអ្នកគ្នាឃើញ UNTP មានន័យថាម៉េច UPNTP មានន័យថាវាធ្វើការម៉ោងវាឧទាហរណ៍ថាដូចខ្ញុំសង្កេត NTP protocol គឺជា protocol តែមួយម៉ោងអញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍ថាប្រសិនបើ server ដើមរបស់គេមាន NTP server អញ្ចឹងមានថាគេអាចគ្រប់គ្រងម៉ោងបានដែរអញ្ចឹងបើយើងជា client របស់គេគឺ server គេម៉ោងប៉ុន្មានគឺយើងនឹងម៉ោងប៉ុណ្ណាតោះណាប៉ុន្តែបើអ្នកគ្នាចង់ប្រើកុំឲ្យវាម៉ោងរបស់ server របស់គេកុំឲ្យប៉ះពាល់ឬក៏កុំឲ្យទិញកណែមួយ server របស់យើងនេះ Microtik របស់គេគឺមិនដាក់អីទេមិនដាក់តិចទេធម្មតា Microtik វាមានម៉ោងរបស់វាណាវាមានការបរិច្ឆេទរបស់វាមិនចឹងព្រោះធម្មតា schedule វាតេតទៅមួយអីម៉ោងហ្នឹងមាន clock ហ៎វាមានអីវាមានម៉ោងរបស់វាតើណាបាទប៉ុន្តែអានេះយើងកែខ្លួនឯងនេះម៉ោងដើមខ្លួនឯងប៉ុន្តែបើសិនអ្នកនេះដាក់ tick អីនោះមិនថាបើ server ម៉ោងរបស់គេអាខាងពួកគេដើរខុសយើងដើរខុសដូចគ្នាព្រោះវាធ្វើការ synchronize ម៉ោងតើណាចឹងអ្នកគ្នាកន្លែងនេះវាជាជំរឿនរបស់អ្នកគ្នាទេបើអ្នកគ្នាចង់ដាក់ក៏ដាក់ទៅមិនដាក់ក៏បានដែរ tick នៅណាបាទអ្នកនេះឃើញ add default root មានន័យថាម៉េចមានន័យថាប្រសិនបើ DHCP ព័ត៌មានដែលទាក់ទងមួយ default gateway ដែលទទួលបានពី server នេះពី server នេះប៉ុន្តែបើក្នុងករណីដែលវាទទួលបានវានឹងអីវានឹងទៅកំណត់អីយ៉ាងអូតូម៉ាទិកនេះវាទៅកំណត់ add អាហ្នឹងចូលទៅឲ្យ van អូតូម៉ាទិក add default gateway យ៉ាងអូតូម៉ាទិកចឹងអ្នកនេះត្រូវចាំថាពួកដាក់មិនដាក់វាគឺអាស្រ័យលើយើងទេប្រសិនបើអ្នកនរគ្នាអត់ដាក់វាទេមានន័យថាម៉េចបើអ្នកនរគ្នាអត់ដាក់ tick លើវាទេមានន័យថាទោះបីយើងធ្វើ DHCP client នេះត្រូវ configure អីគេទៀត DNS ត្រូវ configure default gateway ទៀតបើយើងដាក់ tick automatic បើយើងដាក់ tick វាគឺយើងចំណេញ stop តោះណាបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំយកអីអញ្ចឹងអ្នកគ្នាមើលណា interface យកវិញបាទកន្លែងណាអា client ID នេះគឺសម្រាប់នេះតើយើងបំពេញវាហ្នឹងប៉ុន្តែឧទាហរណ៍ខ្ញុំ apply ទៅធម្មតា DHCP វាមាន client ID របស់វាមិនចឹងហីបាទនេះ DHCP server បាទនេះជំនួយជប់ IP DHCP server ធម្មតាមានអត់បានប្រើផងណា còn á anh ấy cứ con là ní tê chưa cùng nót ní phơi dương thế đi nhập bật nhỉ thầm đá Friday sự phí dân tây cham thà thầm đá phô miền đại khai ăn tật ní nó cứ vitamin ấy nè nè khơi active khai ăn ai đi chỉ tụi tới cứ chia video mà áp lại bọn tình con ai nữa cứ chỉ ai đi còn đấy bà hay hostname cứ ấy sẽ Android hostname nó cứ PC name bao giờ còn đấy hostname cứ PC name chẳng những cái trang thà này mình này thà ưu tiên họ thà bên nào này trong ban tụi tôi cái lại nè ta cái lại kia chưa tôi cái album pin đấy phù cái lại nó cứ viên mới bà này mở nè client hostname một client ID client ID mình hay dân ai cầm nó client ID nâng thử chứ bực không cần này được plot điên hay cái nângตัวbàn là IP để plot chạm ở đó nàyแต่client ID giờ mình đừng buồn anh nó không server bảo kế này tại sao mấy những bao đi server mới khơi client ID mùi hostname này sao copy client ID hostname mình cho mất bơ dân apply tới mình đăng tập bàn ấy IP là bảo hostname mình client ID còn đấy bà tại dân ở đây mua lạc này dân chọn ai bỏ thì đại là mình nè nhắcให้ไป apply ที่ IP starter វាគេបើអ្នកឲ្យមើល starter វាមើលឃើញ IP address ដែលវាបោះឲ្យពី server មកគឺអី IP យើងប៉ុណ្ណឹងអញ្ចឹងអ្នកឲ្យបើ IP ប៉ុណ្ណឹងអ្នកឲ្យចូល IP address IP របស់ fan ប៉ុណ្ណឹងមែនអត់ប៉ុន្តែមានឃើញអក្សរ D ពីមុខទេ D ពីមុខមានន័យថាគឺជា dynamic អាចកែបានទេអត់បានទេមិនក៏កែបានព្រោះដោយសារ IP ហ្នឹងគឺវាបានមកពី server នេះបោះឲ្យយើងមិនមែនជាអ្នកកំណត់ខ្លួនឯងទេតោះណាអត់អ្នកនេះឃើញ gateway ចុច 2 ចុចប៉ុន្មានចុច 1 អញ្ចឹងដោយសារពេលខ្ញុំនេះដោយសារខ្ញុំបានដាក់ text default root នេះអញ្ចឹងដល់ពេលខ្ញុំចូល IP root នេះឃើញវា automatic អី add ឲ្យខ្ញុំហ៎តោះណាបាទអត់អ្នកនេះមិនឃើញទៀតទៀតណែហ៎បាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំទៅមើល IP ទៀតអីឃើញព័ត៌មានដែលទទួលបាននិងព័ត៌មានដែលយើងសិតគឺអីតែមួយហ៎តែសារខ្ញុំដាក់ text UPDNA ហើយអ្នកនេះទៅចាំថាអានេះគឺដៃមួយ server មានន័យថាពួកអានេះគឺយើងអាចបានកែបានមានន័យថាអាចយើងទទួលបាន IP មកយើងតែបើអ្នកអាចបើអ្នកដាក់អាយមកមួយទៀតនៅតាមវិញអានេះគឺ IP យើងដាក់បើអានេះគេតែបើយើងដាក់ទៅនេះបើយើងដាក់ទៅនេះមានន័យថាយកអីគេយកបាយទៅធ្វើតាមទូជាអីទីណាទៅបាទយើងអាចដាក់ទូទីណាទៅមានន័យថានេះឬហើយអ្នកគេឃើញគេតែមិនទៅទី2.1តែថាខាងគេនោះគេយកណា writer របស់គេតាមទូជាអីទីណាទៅបាទឥឡូវខ្ញុំបញ្យល់ឡើងអីទីណា server បន្តិចបាទនឹងមួយណាអញ្ចឹងមកទៅទៀតណាទីណា server យើងបាទខ្ញុំថាការ request ឈ្មោះមកថ្មីវាទទួល router ទូ server របស់យើងបើ server យើងអត់មាននៅក្នុងនេះខរបស់យើងទេបាទវាទៅ request ទៅ record ទៅថ្ងៃក្រោយអត់មានការ request ទៅឲ្យឈ្មោះនឹងដែរវាអត់មាន request ទៅខាងក្រៅវាចឹងគឺគាត់ហ្នឹងចឹងអ្នកខាងណៃបែងទៅទីinternet យើងមាន request ខាងក្រៅវាស្មានដែរទេនេះដាក់ទៅអានេះគឺកំពុង hack ទឹកឬកំពុងខ្លាយណានេះយកបានទេយកពីទីមកណាយកបានទេពីពេលទីមកពីមេចាំថាពីមេសបាយដូចយើងទិញផ្លាដែលពីមេសបាយទៀតហើយដល់ពេលពេញទៅហ្មងពេញវានឹងធ្វើការលុបអាហារឬព្រៀនអាហារទៅអត់ទៅស្លេចចាស់បាទអូលទៀតបាទអូដែរហ៎បាទអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនេះមើលអញ្ចឹងប៉ុន្តែអ្នកនេះទៅចាំថាការ configure របស់យើងនេះណាតមានន័យថាម៉េចណាតទៅអាចចោលបានទេណាតគឺវាត្រូវតែអីត្រូវតែ configure យ៉ាងហ្នឹង của đầm bay ao khang ấy của thầm anh em bay được phê chiều vén chiều lén chứ bật phần nào này nào như thế nên đây là dương pra mang này được phê thế ta xuống thằng này phơi tại này của hàng phố kia xuống thằng ai pra ban nó mình chắc đấy chắc là khi là bay ao pra bên này phơi từ phí nhỉ ai sẽการทำในการที่เชียร์ในฐานะที่ขับเนี่ยปีแบนมาบ้านคือหนังเนี่ยเป็นกายดีอ่ะนาตีจังหนับในมืออะไรเนี่ยการนาบbao giờ này phải cho lấy IP phải vót nạp còn đấy bà nào ở như ấy nhạc buộc máu bà dân sọt nát những đợt này bị miễn tay sinh sân nát bằng sọt nát nếu không vô lại bà nó bị miễn ai phải bên này than trẻ sọt nát bên này thanที่ตอนนั้นในทางปีแล้วในการไหนอีกน้องที่ปลายเป็นอักษรการขัดแบบต่อไปการในสำนักบ้านในทางปีทางกลางอักษรสูงที่ตัวเต้ยที่การกลางคือผ่านเวลาที่การกลางที่ตัวที่การกลางเป็นที่การกลางแล้วก็ในคำนั้นเราเยอะมีอินเทอร์เน็ตอินเทอร์เน็ตนะครับที่มีสุขภาพแบบโอเคนะซึ่งไอคอนมันมาซึ่งอันนี้เนี่ยการยังฟังนะกระบวนforward ปีแจกใส่กระถางกลางบ้านก็ได้ลูกค้าแต่มาเยอะเนี่ยวิธีไหนอาจจะทำการโจทย์จะเราเป็นในการไปทำการโจทย์นั้นเราไปยึดการดูเราไปนาพอเยอะนั้นคือมันเป็นในการไปโจทย์หลังจากใช้เอาไป forward มาไหน forward มาลูกคอหมดจะเป็นการอาจจะในสนามที่คือสำหรับเอาการกลางอาจจะโจทย์หลักหน่อย còn đấy bà ta này hàng trai không mà sẽ hàng trái là bài này này anh ấy hàng trai anh sẽ vô hàng không này là bài này này bạn mấy quan rồi khi sinh ra mua có từ Việt Nam mua được không ai cứ từ Việt Nam còn đấy thì không phải của ai cũng chẳng bà cũng tặng mới là những software đặc biệt remote IP camera thì mỗi cái bên này thì đấy TPคือมีส่วนไหนมันขาดเพิ่มพอตอนนี้สำคัญยังไงปลา IP camera ครับที่ผมที่เราสกอร์ IP อะไรเพิ่มถ้าสกอร์ IP อะไรเราสกอร์พอร์ตของวีให้เราสกอร์ IP ในพาสเวิร์ดปรากฏบ้านแค่นี้ในงานนี่นะกำลังจะมีการกลายตัวเป็นทางที่น้องนำไปอยากจะช่วยสวยงามบ้านvà tay chúng ta kèm bên prai trên người prai VPN rồi prai VPN mà này thang bây giờ ngặt xe cho nó ban ta sử dụng mui là không lén nữa thế bây giờ prai thì đang ngặt VPN đấy giờ ngặt xe ta mà dạng internet cho nó chụp này mui này ấy chụp PC muốn là không được call network nên cho những ai access mà không network nên làm nó anh ấy access ban tại ấy này sử dụng là mui này network còn đây là cái gì nữa trăm cái đó nhầm pram đó và tay lúc ra thì nhầm khắp định IP mui và ta ấy nhưng mình học về IP phật lá thì nhưng mình IP camera nhưng mai thì một chỗ bán hay những ai thì một cái lại na của bán này network xây IP na của bán này ao tập coi một can học định IP nó cứ trôi từ đó IP camera làm rồi hay software làm bây giờ của vô IP camera cứ ấy ai chỉ tụ sạp đài ai tam bơm browser có ai tam ấy tam software thì mình là không cùng và ta dùng tới những shop thì người ta khi có cái camera tam tụ sạp đài được phát tiền bên ấy từ kiaนี่สินะสำคัญคือเอายังสกอร์ล่ะทำไมไรเตอร์ยัง forward port โจลูคอtới ให้ซอฟต์แวร์จะแสดง password คือยังสั่งดึกนองนาอุปกรณ์บอก IP camera ไปก่อนนะanh khai thác port forward เด้อนักน้องไรเตอร์ยังทำหน้ากับมีนเนี่ยจะkhai thác điểm giật network นึงก่อนนะไรเตอร์ยังทำหน้าคือมีนเนี่ยกูยังแนบที่จะจำทำไปยังติง public IP ที่มันข้ามซึ่งยอด public IP นั่นก็ปลาอินเทอร์เน็ตพ่อเก็บ forward ปีแข่งกล้าโจหักน้องยิ่งชอบขึ้นกี่ทั่วมือตั้งด้วยองชาถึงมือตั้งแต่เปิดออฟตีก่อนถ่ายนั้นมีchiaไปchia để biên du hai bà con nàyขึ้นthì forward nhạc phát còn thưa bán này tay thưa tam chẳng làm gì nhạc phát còn thưa bác còn đòi sai còn kêu là bị cẩn thận oh anh ấy vừa sòng nát ai interfaceมันทางรอการ request ปีแลนแต่การเวนฉันออดเมนควอลผ่านแลนนั่งแลนประมาณดิฉันเอาแต่เจงตามấyตามแวนคือมันในทางบกน้องแลนอินเตอร์เฟซจะมีบูนแลน cứ nào là dân ta cục làm liền thằng họ ta bây giờ đã đấy hay vô ấy là vô mặt rồi nó là mới share internet rồi cái hàng vé hàng interface đi muốiในhàng làm bao giờ ai vô ai tập internet màแต่ซาตากาเนี่ยไอ้ปลายinternet บ้านแต่ซาความแต่พอนั่นคือปลาย internet บ้านซึ่งกับซอฟต์แวร์ไม่ได้ใช้เนี่ยแต่บอกคือไม่เอา interface ไอ้ปลาย internet บ้านตอนนี้ให้หน้าแต่ไม่เอาอย่าง interface ทางแลนปลาย internet บ้านอ่านติ๊กนะเนี่ยประกาศซอฟต์แวร์ดำไปปิดขนมทาง private access การ public บ้านให้เอาแต่ interface แวนมาในทางกรุ๊ปเอาแต่กรุ๊ปอันนี้เป็นทางกรุ๊ปไปเกี่ยวกับอย่างเจ๊กรุ๊ปprivate networkให้ action นี้โยมะเพื่อได้ดำเนินการการเซลล์อินเทอร์เน็ตที่ทางขนมทางกระดาษแต่ปนักจอบให้นักพิมพ์tử cho tôi một cà phim ấy như tôi chăm nữa mẹ bên đây tha phim Google đào chứ bên đây tha mình chỉ nhớ nè thanh đào đào tới đó tới bây giờ tay từ liền nào tới tayของท่านยังphim đàoนี่คือเนี่ยphimอันนี้คือเนี่ยที่จะไปได้จะđàoคือไปอันนี้hay là bây giờ dân phimคือตะโบนักในตะพิงไอซันตะโบนักในตะพิงไอซันประจำนะตะโบตะพิง default gateway บอกยืนซันอินเทอร์เน็ตยังใช้ตามพอร์ตนี่เหรอพิงแต่การ default gateway ดาวคือจึงให้มันต้องเป็นพิงแต่การpublic IP นามูดแบบพิงแต่การ public IP นามูดได้พิงแต่การdomain นามูดพูดเช่บนนักในตะจำบนนักในพิงแต่การ default gateway ดาวพ้องจำสู้ทางพิงแต่การพักในดาวผมถ่ายแล้วตัวเยอะเลยอะไรอินเทอร์เน็ตนี่อินเทอร์เน็ตนะแบบอินเทอร์เน็ตอันนี้เป็นสื่อดิจิทัลอันนี้ยังเข้าหน่อยนี่ให้อินเทอร์เน็ตที่ใช้น้ำเก็บไว้เดี๋ยวนี้เก็บไว้ก่อนนะให้จังเงินไปไหนนี่ดำไปยังไงจากเทศกาลนี้บ้างถึงที่ระบบนักเทศกาลกิจการโอเคบ้างเลยเบอร์อักษรมาบ้านข้อหมายการเตยบ้านเจ้าไหนอยากให้ผมพูดในกิจการอย่างไรโอนเลยถึงน่าจะเรียนไอ้คือเรื่องสมบูรณ์ช้าน่ะถ้าเรียนเชียงเดียร์นั่นกิจการในหลองเลยที่ปีกิจการทับในการที่งานที่ทับในงานอาจจะทุกท่านที่ทับในการอะไรยังพอมาทำบางครั้งตอนนี้บางที่จะทำในการที่ถึงปีเตอร์ซาเลยก็มันเป็นความตายผมไปคว้ายังกิจการที่ใบกิจการไหนบ้างมีคำแต่งดีแท้กิจการไหนที่ดาวchấtกิจการหมู่คำว่ากิจการพวกเบี้ยเก๋เบี้ยฟอร์เบอร์มุ่งการอะไรดีเลยเป็นตัวดีอะไรตัวถ้าบอกว่ายังพยายามเนี่ยกิจการทำได้ตากิจการมั่วตาจะยังต่างๆจะปั่นหาดีตอนนี้ซึ่งเรามีแต่กิจใช้เมื่อกี้ใช้มาตามสับเสนที่มุ่งกิจการเด็ดเลยบางกิจการเด็ดเลยแล้วกิจการไหนทำยังไงบางกิจการทำยังไงที่ได้ที่โจทย์เราคือกิจการดูไม่น่าพูดดำไปแตกประเด็นเลยให้เป็นอย่างนี้พิงร้อนพิงจากการดูรองเนาะแบบพิงดาวเนี่ยพิงมาจากไหนพิงหัวภาษาไทยอันนี้ดาวมันยังไงเชื่อต่อการปรับมูบานตอนนี้อันนี้นักเรียนเลยบุยปีใบเป็นอย่างนี้พิงร้อนเราละใบของตาเลยcácอันนี้ในฐานนี้ดาวมันอะไรแต่คนใต้เนี่ยในประจำภาคไหนนั่นคือเรามีแต่กิจการเมื่อตามครับนั่นนำไปพิจารณาดูก็ดาพิจารณาดาให้คือโอเคแต่ดาดัดนะดัดจะซาแต่อินเทอร์เน็ตบางอย่างเดียวให้กระจายทางอาจจำนวนรีพลายเนี่ยการเน็ตท่อมอินเทอร์เน็ตการเน็ตสโลว์ตอนนี้ให้เราจะไปเดี๋ยวไปไทม์เอาท์มันทำไปแตะตัวต่างตอนนี้เช่นให้ตัวจำนะพิงการพิงบนโครงการนี้จะไปมิลลิสิคันด้วยการเด็ดโต้คืออินเทอร์เน็ตกันหรือมันทำจะไปรีไฟล์เลื่อนมันยังหรือมันทำคอนเนคชั่นอินเทอร์เน็ตเยอะหรือก็คอนเนคชั่นเน็ตมันจะมีเลื่อนนับในตัวจำนะบิดยังจำตั้งแต่อินเทอร์เน็ตดาวเลื่อนยึดนั่นให้พิงเลยพิงบนขึ้นจะไปอะไรรีไฟล์ไปอยู่เวก็จะมิลลิสิคันมาป้อนมิลลิสิคันมาวินตีจะมาแบบปีป้อนใบป้อนนั่นมันทำอินเทอร์เน็ตเป็นไมตราเรื่องอยู่คณิตศาสตร์เชื่อมใต้สายใบจะอินเทอร์เน็ตยังเลื่อมใต้ได้ครับตอนนี้ให้ยังตัวจำถ้าเกิดในเส้นเลือดว่าแล้วเป็นไม้ดอกมวยกันทำได้ยังพิงทรายแบบว่าพิงนั่นเป็นดอกมวย มันเอาไปลื่นน่ะแต่ถ้าเราไปยังพิงเลยกันในชั้นวายแล้วคือเอาไปกว่านั้นไปแต่ตรงไปจากการกระดาษวายแล้วนั่นไปยังตัวจำนะวายแล้วเบอร์ติดเจ๊กันในชั้นไม่ได้หรอกตาตักกระดาษแกงตอนนี้ตัวแบบนี้เนี่ยกันในตัวแกงตัววายแล้วให้ไปเพลียงไปเอ้ยนั่นคือให้วายแล้วเจ๊โตจมูกอาสมเลยลงคางในชั้นก็ปากปออะไรครับอินฟอรันอินเตอร์ฟอรันมันอาการเฉียดโจมปีน้อยบ่บ่ที่ตุ๊กตาเอาถ่ายแล้วยังวายแล้วยังมวยดักเพียนไหลเพลย์ดาซามีปัญหาดาซามีการเฉียดโจปีน้อยจะมาทำได้ยังเหมือนเคยอับเรกองในสมเลยให้ปากปอขณะยังเรียนดอลลาร์แต่ตัววายแล้วในว่าแบบยังหนึ่งอันไหนก็ซาหนึ่งการเฉียดโจนับปีน้อยเป็นถ้วยโคยดาตาบอกยังบ่นั่นมีปากปอถึงอ้อนะถ้าบึกเพลียงไอ้บ้านกันตลอดมาใต้ไปพลาดไปบ่าได้ไปเพลียงไอ้ฉันบ่าวบ่าเล่นแต่บ่ายบ่าแต่บ่าเล่นแต่อะไรแต่บ่าไปเพลียงกูบัดฉันแต่ตั้งแต่บ้านเราโทษให้ไปลองดออุปกรณ์เยอะไงอุปกรณ์ในประตูของรีเซิร์ฟบ่าเล่นคาทรานสมิเตอร์นะเนี่ยบ่าอุปกรณ์ใส่พอยต์ทรานสมิเตอร์ให้อุปกรณ์เยอะทำหน้ารีเซิร์ฟในประตูเลยต่อยังมือตีดชานี่ยมคนไปเกิดวิธีเอ๋ยนับเหนือดีสิพี่คลายอันคือตับปั้นนั่งไงความตาพี่คิวอีเรื่องปะบ้าเจ้าทำอะไรปะบ้าเหมยยังเคยจำแท้ยมไปเจ็ดอะไรสิของด้าเลยไปหน้าไหนนะในปลาไปไอที่ตัวดีสิคลายอันคือยังนัดมือจะไปแหวนกูยังตัวมือแหวนกันแต่ใต้หนักในปลามือคิวอีคืออเมริกามือแหวนได้คือนัดเป็นมือหนึ่งที่ตัวเป็นระบบคิวอีไอ้สุดท้ายคิวอีนั่นคือเป็นนักเรียนเหรออ๋อสิริกิเบอร์ชูรีเดฟเฟสได้ของการเป็นคิวอีพอแหวนตอนนี้เป็นมือเดียวฮอร์นาทันเจ็ดยึดใจจำนะการมาของยืนปาเป็นไอทีจมูกนั้นดีเอดีไซน์กันจะจำนะการมาของนี้คือน้ำเป็นน้ำคือมาปีน้ำเป็นได้ครับผมทำที่ของงานตัวนี้ตอนนี้เป็นงานการมั่งยังมาทำใต้สำหรับที่อยู่อีที่เราจากนี้เนี่ยตอนไอ้ตัวตัวนั้นตัวที่ได้ปล่อยนะการนาของนี้คือเหมือนเป็นนาสิบุญมีเจ้านาสิบุญบุญนั่นเองแต่ป้าที่ใช้คืออาศัยสมุนเพาะมันมีตัวเองซึ่งเรียมีข้อไอ้นี้เป็นข้อไหนนะที่ตลอดนักวิชาการที่ตลอดปราบที่อยู่ดีเราไปนับปีน้ำนานเป็น1 แหวนเราอ่านตัวแหวนกับผู้ต้องเรียนอะไรของผู้เรียนอะไรใช้ตามตัวที่อยู่ดีแต่ต่อไปอันนี้จะนาทีบนชูเนี่ยว่าคือซึ่งไหวนั่นคือเวียที่ปลาการในการที่ปลาการพอต่างกันซึ่งน้ำคือน้ำอยู่บนไหนซึ่งประจำไหนคือการน้ำวันนี้เรียนนี้โอเคน้ำหรือแหวนเรียนนี้โอเคน้ำหรือแหวนได้เรียนมืออ่านที่อยู่อีนี่คือน้ำอยู่บนนั้นป่ะเดินทางไหนแต่เจ้าคือที่อยู่อีกหลายบอกไปอันบนเนี่ยจะมีตระเมียนทางไอที่บอกแค่กิเมียนเสมอบอกสิสำหรับคือการบอกนะเป็นโดยดีสุดที่บ่จากนี้ยำลูกจาวหรอไอ้นะแต่ตัวมวยไอ้นะยำลูกจาวหรอไอ้ยำปรับเยอะจะตัวมวยการปรับที่คิวอีมาจึงฝ่ายอันยังโอเคนะเราให้แต่เมื่อซาตื้อที่ปลาเป็นของการไหนนะการไหนนึงนะใช้สมอินเทอร์เน็ตที่ปลาฉลองการไรเตอร์มวยเตี้ยนะไอ้มวยเตี้ยคือเก๋โอเคกับกูADSL ยำลูกจาวเอาเหรอ Còn nhung lục anh ấy cháu cứ điền đấy cứ bây giờ ở ní về bạn hỏi IP root ấy bạn hỏi nhung lục đi thì client cháu chứ là for miền này với bạn cái ngày ca con giờ ô tô thích cứ bạn được luôn này xong rồi IP của bạn đấy vừa nhung lục đặt đi thì client nó cứ bạn thằng họ à vậy để vì con giờ nhớ cứ lục chào thằng họ tập à lấy nhạc niệm mờปัจจัยเกี่ยวกับฮอกยมตือกายบางยมบูวิตามินไอที่นั่งไงเนี่ยไม่แต่ยังไงยูทูไอซีบาเนี่ยอะไรจะเหมือนยมบัดอันนี้อันนี้ยูทูไอซีเคยอันนี้กันในมาเลยมันอันนี้โซนไม่ได้ทันเจ๊แต่ปัจจัยสไลด์คือเจ๊แต่ปัจอันนี้ยังมีใหม่ติดมูลอันนี้โซนอันนี้เป็นมาการไหนได้มาแล้วอันนี้ยังมาจีนี่อันนี้มูลคือเป็นมาการไหนมาการเป็นผูกลำไส้นี่อันนี้ดักเลยนะดักเปิดดักเอาได้จังดักเลยเลยมูลกับมาดูที่ห้องดักเลยมูลทำไมติดมูลนี้เนี่ยยังดาวตัวเป็นไอที่ผู้อินเทอร์เน็ตเป็นเรียนถ้ายังดาวตัวเป็นที่เป็นยังคอนเกิร์ตจะพูดยังไงบ้างจังเนี่ยในมือเนี่ยทำไมแต่ยังมุ้ยจะไหนยังตายยังมือเหมือนยังโตปีโตมามาจังไหนค่ะนี่อันนี้ดีมาให้เป็นน้ำให้เอาให้เป็นไหวนี่มีแต่แดดปลามาได้จังทำไมเป็นอะไรเป็นมุ้ยเป็นปีของน้องเนี่ยโดยที่นี่ในเบอร์ของโยมสำหรับแต่งเลยดีไปตอนร้อนจังนับในมือเนี่ยเนี่ยthì phải chọn chắc anh ấy rồi trong bậc anh đô phi sâu lo mà buồn đó nè cho nên khai cái khai ấy ai còn khác khai ai thì là còn đó khai cái áo internet thương mà play ơi còn tay download cái video in server cho nên khai trẻ anh đi về thì cái mới đó tất cả hàng server cứ làm một cái thế mà ta hàng làm một cái vị trí làm một như anh ấy tìm làm và tay nhớ cái thằng này đây nhớ khô mày cái con phần đi vào cái bà cái online ở dưới này và tay cái áo gì đây PPOT bà PPOT áo gì là thằng tôi còn bà ở dưới này chết lạnh đơn biết sao thương vậy à đây nhung con giờ đi thì anh phải đi bờ rồi đấy nhưng mà đi bờ chânอันนี้คือตราปลาเลยมาได้อินเทอร์เฟซลิกโซนเนี่ยดับเบิลเอาเซอินเทอร์เน็ตปลาได้ยังปลาลิกโซนคือยังปลาเล็กปลาแล้วก็เล่นบุญเจ็ดสไลด์อย่างนี้พิมพ์อาร์เป็นอินเทอร์เน็ตปลาบ้านนั่นเองเช่นแต่ดับเบิลยังคอนฟิกเกอร์ตั้งแต่อันนี้มีอินเทอร์เน็ตปลาที่เปิดเลยอันนี้เปิดเลยต่ออะไรจะว่าเอาเป็นลิกโซนนี่นำไปยังไอคอนฟิกเกอร์อินเทอร์เน็ตตาบ้านvà tai sầm khănคือยังคอนเกอร์ ISP พิเศษcác bạn đang đá đấyยังบางไหนđấy may được tích bao mà nó cứ còn kèm kèm trên mọi trong bao Windows server Windows server là kèm dần mà một sân tích cho làm run Windows 8 lên vì vé và một sân dương rộng trong rồi vẫn run vì về run lên Windows lên à lấy bên chỗ này nhom bà hai các buôn phơi PPOE server như bây giờ mới tính này nó cho là IC ở này kìa trang password của hết mấy movie vậy bà này à lấy nhung lục chào để ọt phải ăn lơ van này tái nhung trong phơi PPOE server tí tập nhung cho PPOE server nhung cho này ok đảo của anh em đào tôi thì cái em tay nhưng tôi chỉ PPUA server nhạc này cho PPPP đi máu IP biên server nữa to giờ bật cái server mùi máu PP server mà tay server những đào lên interface này làm thu nè server những đào lên interface làm thu to bật cái đây vì secret này cái bật cái username hai cái line profile bật cái assign IP tạo username này nè lấy nhóm bật cái đây cái mũi secret nó nhóm đã BBU mình sao baby tạo BBU son mùi của chị hó nó password mà một thì bấy mà tái switch bỏ username nó cứ chia switch kiểu thì và tái về profile lại default chứ profile default nhưng tầm mơ profile default nó này local IP address cứ chỉ default gateway để bỏ chứ chỉ tôi tới chỉ IP là bỏ ấy bỏ server bỏ giờ một ai remote IP addressคือខ្ញុំដាក់ DHCP pool 1នេះគឺការបោះ IP របស់វាគឺលក្ខណៈ dynamic គឺនេះ IP pool អញ្ចឹងគឺវាបោះ IP ពីចន្លោះណាទៅចន្លោះណាពី2រហូតដល់254តោះណាវាអាចបោះពី1ទៅឲ្យ6 IP របស់ server ទៅវាបោះពី2ទៅ DNA គឺបោះឲ្យម៉ាន8ឧទាហរណ៍ណាបាទតែប៉ុណ្ណឹងទៅគឺវាខ្លាយទៅជាអី PPOE server អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំទៅអីនេះបើនៅបើដូចគ្នានេះឥឡូវអ្នកគ្នាអ្វីដែលអ្នកគ្នាត្រូវបាទឥឡូវខ្ញុំចាប់តាមឡុកចូលឥឡូវយើងមើលខាងខ្ញុំមានអីអត់នៅ interface មានអស់ហើយ IP address មានអស់នៅខាងនេះរបស់យើងមានហើយអត់នៅ van តែ LAN មានអស់ណាប៉ុន្តែនៅតែខាងអី van តែ van ការ connection របស់យើងគឺប្រើជាលក្ខណៈ PPOE តោះនេះអញ្ចឹងអត់មានអីទាំងអស់នេះ root អីមានអត់មើលអស់មានទេ DNS អត់ទាំងអស់ណាអត់ NAT មានអត់មានទេអត់មានបាទអញ្ចឹងតោះយើងអ្នកនេះមើលការ configure របស់គ្នាដើម្បីយើងបង្កើត PPOE client គឺអ្នកនេះត្រូវបង្កើត interface PPOE មួយអ្នកនេះចូល interface មកអ្នកនេះឃើញសញ្ញាបូកនេះហ៎មើលមាន interface ច្រើនប៉ុន្តែអ្វីយើងត្រូវការគឺ PPOE client កុំច្រឡំ PP នេះណាអានេះផ្សេងទៀត point to point protocol ផ្សេងអាហ្នឹងបាទ PPOE client បាទអ្នកនេះគឺអីឈ្មោះ interface របស់យើងតោះណាឥឡូវខ្ញុំដាក់ my internet ឧទាហរណ៍នេះគឺឈ្មោះ interface គឺ my internet តើ interface PPOE នេះវា access តាម port ណាតែវា access ទៅកាន់ server ណា PPOE server ហ្នឹងគឺ access ទៅកាន់ port ណានេះហើយអ្នកនេះមើលយើងប្រើនេះគឺ PPOE client ទូថា PPOE client នេះវា access ទៅកាន់ server បានតាមនេះត្រូវការដល់អត់ទេប៉ុន្តែវាចេញតាម van access តាមដល់អានេះទូអា van ក្នុងវិញចូលទៅទីម្នាក់7ម៉ាច់បាទ7ម៉ាច់ចឹងតែថាអាប៉ិតជាត្រៃអាខាងម៉ៃកេខ្ញុំនេះអា7នេះប៉ិតអត់មានអីត្រូវមាន access internet កើតទេប៉ុន្តែទីខ្ញុំ configure ទៅ access internet បាទដោយសារនេះវា configure វាណាទីហើយអស់ហើយតែឲ្យដើរទូទៅនេះ PPE server ទៀតអញ្ចឹងវាត្រូវការបោះinterface នេះ internet ទេប៉ុន្តែអានេះ share out ទៅអាណាកម្រិត PPE បាទអញ្ចឹងលោកប្រាយើងធ្វើជា PPE ប្រាយតែណាទៅអាមកទៅបាយទៅបងគេមិនទៅយើងយកទៅជា PPE បែបហ្នឹងណាវាត្រូវទៅគឺត្រូវកាត់ខ្លាចឲ្យអ្នកនេះត្រូវការខាងអានេះខាង IP ទេខ្ញុំស្គាល់តែអានេះខ្ញុំយកមកបន្តិចខ្ញុំអត់មានជាក់ស្ដែង IP យើងមិនទៅរៀនដូចកើតគេឲ្យតែមួយហ្នឹងប៉ុន្តែនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើដើរតួជា PPE server របស់ IP ប៉ុន្តែអ្នកនេះមក configure ទៅបាទបាទអញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍យើងកុំខ្វល់ខាងនេះគេធ្វើមិនធ្វើទៅសំខាន់ឲ្យតែគេឲ្យនេះគឺសម្រាប់ហ្នឹងបាទ เอา username password ទៅគឺឲ្យត្រូវគឺអូខេបាទអញ្ចឹងអ្នកមើលអ្នកពីបង្កើត interface គឺ interface អី PQE client interface ដែលមានឈ្មោះថា My Internet បងទេហើយអ្នកមើល interface វាធម្មតា interface ហ្នឹងអាចចាត់ចូលជាមួយនឹង PQE server បានគឺបានហើយយើងប្រើ IP ទៅ IP ជា server យើង client តែ interface ដែល access connect ជាមួយនឹង server បានគឺ interface នេះទេតែនេះប្រើមួយអី van ហើយអ្នកនេះមានឃើញកន្លែងដែលអាវហ៎នេះអ្នកនេះឃើញកន្លែង username ហ៎បាទអញ្ចឹង username គឺ username ខាង server គេនោះនៅក្នុង database របស់គេនោះ record របស់គេអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំដាក់អីមិញ00មក1 2 3ដាក់ take កន្លែងនេះមានន័យថាម៉េចដាក់ take កន្លែងនេះមានន័យថាប្រសិនបើយើង connect ទៅនៅពេលអ្នកគ្នា connect ទៅវានឹងទទួលបាន IP address default gateway DNS ហ្នឹងមិនអញ្ចឹងអញ្ចឹងបើយើងដាក់ take អានេះវានឹងធ្វើការ configure add default gateway ឲ្យយើង automatic យើងមិនចាំបាច់ចូលដូច DCP អញ្ចឹងយើងមិនចាំចូលអីនេះអ្នកនេះមិនចាំចូលអានេះទៅ configure ទេតោះណាបាទយើងដាក់ take កន្លែងហ្នឹងហើយបើអ្នកគ្នាដាក់ take ត្រង់កន្លែងនេះដូចគ្នាគឺនៅពេលណាដែលវាទទួលបាន IP address របស់ DNS អីវាចូលធ្វើការ IP DNS យើងតោះណាប៉ុន្តែនេះអត់មានទេទេហើយអ្នកគ្នាមើល status មើលឃើញ up time មិនថាមិន up time up time រយៈពេលដែលវាចាប់បាន connect ហ្នឹងគឺរយៈពេល connect ហ្នឹង connect បាននាទីបានមកហើយចាប់បានបើតែពេលយើង restart ម៉ាស៊ីនចាប់បាន connect សារថ្មីតោះណាបាទហើយអ្នកគ្នាមើលមាន local IP address មានថាម៉េច IP ដែលបោះពី server ឲ្យយើងត្រូវចាំណា server local IP address គឺជាណាគឺជា IP address របស់ខ្លួនឯង remote គឺ IP address របស់អីរបស់ client ប៉ុន្តែអានេះមានន័យថាម៉េចយើងជា client មានន័យថា local IP address គឺ IP address របស់ពី server ឲ្យបាទទេហើយ remote address គឺជា IP របស់ default server IP របស់ server អញ្ចឹងយើងចាំនេះអានេះ IP នេះចាំ IP តាមមកឥឡូវខ្ញុំចង់ទៅខ្ញុំ apply វាសារមើលហើយអ្នកគេមើល status វាបើ status នេះ connect មានថាម៉េចតាក់ទងបានវាអាចទី1គឺ connection ទី2ការវាយបំពេញ username password របស់យើងវាអត់ត្រូវតោះណាបាទអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនេះធ្វើម៉េចហើយអ្នកនេះចង់ដឹងថានៅក្នុង form van របស់យើងមាន service មែនអត់មាន service PPOE ណាមួយអត់អ្នកនេះ scan វាសារមើល scan លើ van ណា scan ប៉ះមានឃើញអត់គេដឹងថាមាន server មួយពួកតែសារអា server របស់ខ្ញុំបានដូរឈ្មោះវាហើយបានតែរបស់ server ហ្នឹងគឺមាន server មួយដែលធ្វើជា service PPOE server អត់ទេចាំមានអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចចំណេញបានទេបានហើយតោះឥឡូវយើង stop ពីអានេះគឺដើម្បី scan មើលទេថាវាមាន service ណាមួយអត់ណាតោះឥឡូវអ្នកគ្នាមើល interface របស់ PPOE van ដែលអាវនេះយើងមកពេញអានេះទៅហើយដាក់ text ពីនេះមកហើយខ្ញុំអីគេ apply ឃើញ status វាអីបាទ connected ចឹងអ្នកគ្នាមើលឃើញ connected អត់បាទឃើញ connected មានន័យថាយើងវាបាទapply តែឡើងពី connect មកហើយ idol ថាម៉េចឃើញគឺខតអីមានថាម៉េចអាចជាតែបោកពី server ឲ្យបាទអរេហើយ server ទីប្រហែលតែ connect គេមើលនៅក្នុងណា link apply គេឃើញបងឃើញ connect ចូលបាទបាទអ្នកនេះគឺ remote apply បាទគឺ IP ប៉ុន្តែដល់ការពេលខ្ញុំ connect ហ្នឹងខ្ញុំអីខ្ញុំបានដាក់ take add default root ជាមួយនឹង UPDNS ឥឡូវអ្នកនេះទៅមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាជប់ចាំភ្លេងមកអត់មកនេះ8ខ្ញុំបាន add វាទេគាត់ថាវាមកអូ IP root អូតូបន្តិចហ៎ប៉ុន្តែអ្នកនេះមើលតើអាធម្មតាវារបបជាមួយ van ឬក៏របបជាមួយ my internet ព្រោះអាគឺ IP របស់អញ្ចឹងយើងតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទៅគឺព័ត៌មានពីរឥឡូវខ្ញុំចង់ដឹងខ្ញុំធ្វើមិនដើម្បីចង់ដឹងថា interface van ឬក៏អាការ connect របស់យើងនឹងវាមាននេះអត់ដំបូងតែគ្នាទៅ ping ទៅកាន់អីចង់ដឹង ping ទៅកាន់ gateway សិនដែរតើមក ping ទៅកាន់ public IP ណាមួយ ដើម្បីតេស្តថាវាចេញចុចចាំលេបាទបាទអញ្ចឹងមិនថាយើងអាចតាក់ទង default gateway បានហើយអាសេសកម្ម public IP បានហើយអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវតេស្ត DNS ធ្វើម៉េច reply យើងក៏យើងតេស្ត Google វាទៅសួរ88ចឹងវាអាចតាក់ទង DNS បានហើយអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាបើយើងគឺអីបាទដើរ OK ហើយប៉ុន្តែសួរថា interface នេះទាំងអស់យើងមាន interface អត់ទេតែទីទៅកម្មនេះអានេះមិនថាជា interface របស់ពីបើជួយ interface តែមានតែអញ្ចឹងថាអ្នកទៅចាំថាអានេះមានអ៊ីនធឺណិតអត់អានេះមានអ៊ីនធឺណិតអត់ខ្ញុំចង់តែអ៊ីនធឺណិត CD ពីនេះឲ្យ private server ខ្ញុំប្រើអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនេះទៅធ្វើម៉េចណាត់ទៀតការប្រើប្រាស់ណាត់គឺអ្នកនេះចូល IP firewall ណាត់នេះដូចគ្នា action យកមកធ្វើដូចគ្នាហើយត្រង់កន្លែងសោះណាដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែឲ្យ interface កុំយក WAN គេយក my internet ណាបាទ my internet ហើយ action mark word ប៉ុណ្ណឹងគឺ interface LAN ខ្ញុំគឺអាច share ប្រើប្រាស់ internet យកពី interface PPOE interface បានណាអ្នកខ្ញុំមើលអាមិនអញ្ចឹងតែម្ដងគ្រាន់តែនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើលើ VMware ណាអាទិត្យក្រោយអ្នកគ្នាខ្ញុំយក Microtik មែនទេនៅ configure មើលហើយខ្ញុំអាចធ្វើជា PPOE ធ្វើស្អីមកជាក់ស្ដែងមកហើយ software ដូចគ្នាទាំងបោកទាំង software តែមួយបាទតែតែអាច cover សិនទៅវានេះតែវាមានដូចគ្នាទាំងអស់បាទហើយយើងថាទៅតាក់ទងមួយនេះគេមើលទៅមើល factor ទេហើយវាទៅឯកាមើលចឹងហ្នឹងអត់អីទេអាហ្នឹងវាទៅមួយ speed ហ្នឹងវាអត់មានបញ្ហាព្រោះយើង configure ហ្នឹងគឺនៅតែ configure អញ្ចឹងព្រោះ speed វាតែទៅមួយការចែកផ្សេងបាទធ្វើអញ្ចឹងឯងណាយើងមើលនេះឯងទេគាត់ថាយើងទៅមើលបើ fiber ដោះបើគេ comment writer ពីមុនមក fiber ណាដោះ router ចេញមកហើយយកខ្សែចេញពី router ហ្នឹងចេញពីmedia converter ហ្នឹងចូលមកទៅដល់កុំឲ្យឆ្លងចូល router ម្ដងទៀតវាយឺតព្រោះយើងទៅចាំណាច្រើនតង់វាមិនកាន់អ៊ីនធឺណិតកាន់យឺតមកអ៊ីនធឺណិតហ្នឹងណាហ្នឹងថាតម្លៃ network ច្រើនតង់យឺតអ្នកនេះមានចាំដូចយើង connect ទៅតាមទូរស័ព្ទឯងឃើញរាប់ឃើញ class A នេះទៅចាំអា class A ដែលយើងទទួលបានពី IP ពីទូរស័ព្ទមកហ្នឹងគឺពិតអាហ្នឹងគឺជាអីជា private ណាជាលក្ខណៈ private network ទេណាវា share តែគាត់វាប្រើតែ public IP មួយ share ប៉ុណ្ណឹងឃើញអ៊ីនធឺណិតទេដល់ពេលគេប្រើច្រើនគឺ